Morning, myself. I am S. Vasu, Mechanical B. I want to interview a software engineer. He is working in Accenture company. Good morning, myself. I am Vasu. I want to interview.
I am Sheikh Shafi Jilani. I am working in Accenture for 4.5 years. Uh, so, do you want to know anything about me, or are you curious about how to get into software field or anything like that? Questions?
Yes, I want to know about how you enter into a software field and how is your life with the software field.
Before knowing into how to get into software field, it is very important to know what are the aspects and what you want to gain in your software field, that you need to know from your end. Like, so actually I am graduated from different field in engineering, but I want to challenge myself and want to gain knowledge in all aspects. So I have chosen the field of the software engineering, where I can see myself as growth in future. So it's one of the point why I have chosen that. And coming to the other points, as everybody know, it is having very much of baggage, and everybody is selecting like that. It's not like that of kind. Uh, it is a very basic and easy to know what it should has to be, and what would be we will be willing to do in our field. So it is major thing that what is your goal and what should you need to achieve. That is the major thing.
What is difference between computer program and computer software?
Computer program is a piece of code that we write in the back end, and computer software is the the code when we execute, and it will run in the background. When it got displayed in the front end, that we call computer software. Both computer software and computer program will come in hand to hand. Once we link both, then it will execute and it will display the results.
Where did you completed your graduation and how do you get your job?
I completed my graduation in JNTU Kakinada in the field of petrochemical engineering. I think in the final year of September, Accenture came to our campus, and we got from our branch. We got selected. All members got selected into it, and it was very happy moment for us because it was our first job, and still I am doing in the same company. So which is I'm looking forward to work in the future as well. Yeah.
What step that you follow for a software development?
In general, in software development, we will follow, like, according to our project and according to our software tools, we will follow different kinds of approachability. But in general, what I will say is we will follow these simple. I will explain in simple steps. So, what are the steps we will follow? Is first we will develop a code where they will be doing the unit test, and then after they will be doing the documentation for the test, and then after they will be releasing the piece of code that we will be developing into the production. So basically there will be these process that we follow. So when we develop a code, what we will think is, if a piece of code is developed, then we will think all the possibility cases, then how it will work and how it should has to be work, and what are the outcomes of that work. Because if you are developing a code, then it should not affect the other environments. Okay. So like that we develop, and once we develop the functionality, what will they will do is they will test from their end whether there are any bugs or not. If there are any bugs, they will come to the development team and will say, like, this in this particular piece of code and in this particular piece of area we will be having some issues, and they will be clearing out of, and the development team will be clearing out of all the issues. And they, once these are all completed, the whatever the team that is concerned to that particular area, they will be creating one document. So how to use that developed code, they will be manually doing the user guide. and later the end users who are going to use that product will be seeing that manual guide and will be using the tool.
Are you happy with your job?
Yeah, I'm actually very happy with our current job. Uh, I'm looking forward to further opportunities whether I will be getting in future. So it will helpful for me and my family to develop.
How do your family happy when you got a job in Accenture company?
Uh, as I said earlier, also it was my first job. I am very excited about my first job, and my family is even more excited about me when I got job and I got selected in campus interview.
Thank you for your valuable time.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.